All right, folks, let's dive into the mysterious world of fast radio bursts. You might be wondering, what the heck are fast radio bursts? Well, they're brief, intense flashes of radio waves coming from galaxies far, far away. We're talking billions of light years here. These enigmatic bursts were first detected back in 2007 by a team led by Duncan Lorimer. Using the Parkes radio telescope in Australia, they stumbled upon a burst that lasted just a few milliseconds. Yet in that fleeting moment, it released more energy than our sun does in a whole day. Mind-blowing, right? So what causes these cosmic fireworks? That's still a bit of a head-scratcher. Some scientists reckon it could be from neutron stars colliding. Others think it might be black holes munching on stars. And there are even more out there theories, like alien civilizations. But let's not get too ahead of ourselves with the ET talk. Fast forward to today, and we've detected hundreds of these bursts. They've helped us map the cosmic web, giving us a clearer picture of the universe's large-scale structure. Pretty nifty, huh? What's more, fast radio bursts have also become essential tools for studying dark matter and the interstellar medium. By observing how these bursts travel through space, scientists can gather data on the otherwise invisible stuff between galaxies. It's like using cosmic flashlights to light up the darkest corners of the universe. So whether you're a seasoned astrophysicist or just a curious mind, fast radio bursts offer a tantalizing glimpse into the unknown. Keep your eyes and ears peeled for more thrilling discoveries. The universe is full of surprises, and we've only just scratched the surface.